Okay, so look, I rarely do tutorials on how I make art, specifically body art, because honestly, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing half the time. I have an idea and then I'll just make this shit. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. If you clicked on this because I clickbaited you with like tutorial in the headline and was like, oh my gosh, she's gonna teach techniques. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna learn. I'm sorry. I lied. It is what it is. But I will give certain things that I use to basically make stuff like this. You see that? Yeah, that was a cut. That was a cut right there. Anyways, so basically what I do with my canvases, and this is catered to me, I high key don't do a lot of things the traditional artist way. Um, I'm more of a go with the flow, whatever I feel type of motherfucker. Like that's just how that is. Um, but yes, I primarily when I do canvases, I do oil painting. That is my medium, and pretty much how I start with any canvas, I decide how I'm going to do the background. I either do like a acrylic wash, which basically is just acrylic paint and a little bit of water, and then put that on it, or you can use gesso. And then after that, I either use a black or a white charcoal pen. That is the best thing to use
for line work and whatever body you're doing. It also works well for face. Unless for me, I've been doing face.
ears, whether the muse is in person or it's off a picture or whatever is whatever. And then after that, you can lay down your base coats in acrylic also. That is a base that some artists use. That's the problem with shooting outside. Your phone overheats. Anyways, acrylic wash. You can use acrylic wash and just paint off of that. Or you can do base coats in, your oils. I am a little bougie. I like to use this. Mm, look at that. Or gimlin. Ooh, ooh. Now these I wouldn't recommend for first time people that are just getting into oil paint. Honestly, I wouldn't recommend like brands like Golden and stuff like that when you're just getting into whatever art medium you're getting into anyways, because for one, that oil paint right there is like $15 to $20 a tube, sometimes higher. Yeah, if you're getting into acrylic paint, man, go to Michael's, Hobby Lobby, whatever like that, and just get that stuff that's on sale. Like, just don't get the dollar shit. Don't get the craft dollar shit that you see at Walmart. That's like $1.50. Fuck that. No, don't get that. But the $3, $4 paint, yes, get that. You can get the primary colors, white and black. Boom, right there. You can make different gradients, different tones, all that stuff like that. That is a plane. Fuck you, plane. That's how I make stuff like this, and that's what I've been doing for a while now. So other than that, I might do more of these. I might do one about shoes. Who knows? Maybe Dr. Seuss knows.